I am Alia Mahmood and going to explain you Science Class 4, Lecture number 3, Unit 1, The Human Body, Class 4. In the lecture number 3, we will be discussing skeletal system, muscular system, take care of bones. Skeletal system. All the bones together make up the skeleton. It is present in all animals that have backbone. It is a framework of bones that helps to give strength, support, shape. Protect some very important and soft internal organ. Move the body. In the diagram, we can see the skeleton. Skull, ribs, spine, femur are the parts of the skeleton, and there are many other parts. And think, what would be like if there is no bone in your body? You would not be able to walk, run, sit, stand, play football and cricket, or make any movement. These all things are possible by the help of skeletal system. Skeletal system consists of bones and joints. Students, joint is a place where two bones or more than two bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament. The ligament join the two bones at the joint and stop it from falling apart. And students, do you know the smallest bone in your body is inside your ear and known as stirrup, while the longest and strongest bone in your body is your thigh bone, the femur. You can see in the diagram also. Femur you can see in the diagram. The skeletal system consists of bones and joints. Joint is a place in a body where two or more bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament. Some joints do not move, for example, joints in adult skull. Some move in all directions, for example, joint in shoulder and hip are called ball and socket joint. Some move in one direction, for example, joints in knee and elbow are called hinge joint. In this diagram, we can see ball and socket joint, which are present in shoulder joint and hip joint. These are in ball shape. That's why we are able to move our arms in the circular form. Same like that, we can move our legs in the circular form also. So the ball and socket joints move in all directions. Whereas hinge joint move in only one direction. And in the diagram you can see it is present in elbow joint. And elbow can move in one direction. Muscular system, it consists of muscles and tendons. Tendon. A tendon is a tissue which attaches muscle to bone. Types of muscles. Three types of muscles. Smooth muscle. First diagram is of smooth muscle. Smooth muscle make up the internal hollow organ of the body. For example, stomach, intestine, they are involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles perform their jobs without we even thinking about it. They keep doing their work automatically. Cardiac muscles. Second diagram is of cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles make up the heart muscles. Skeletal muscle. Third diagram is of skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are joined to the bones by tendons. They are voluntary muscles. This means that they move when we want them to move. We can control what they do. They help to make movement possible. They work with our bones to give our body strength and stability. Take care of bones. Bones are strong, but they can break or bend. Bones can break or fracture because of injury. Bones can bend or break easily in older people. Keeping bones strong. How we can keep our bones strong? By doing plenty of exercise, eating the right kind of food, eating calcium-rich food like yogurt, cheese, and milk. Now students, take your book and read the page number 5, 6, 7 and 8. My dear students, if you have any question or clarification required, you can put your question in comment box. In exercise, we are going to do first of all new words. Number 1, cells, tissues, organ, smooth muscles, cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, tendon, voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, intestine, joint, ligament. Question answers. Question number 1. What are the main function of the skeleton? Answer. Main function of the skeleton are: it helps to give strength to the body. Number 2. It supports the body. Number 3. It helps to move the body. Number 4. It helps to frame the shape of our body. 5. It protects soft internal organs like lungs, heart and brain. Question number 2. How many types of muscles are there? Describe each of them with an example. Types of muscles. Number 1, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles make up the internal hollow organ of the body. They are involuntary muscles. Example, muscles of stomach, intestine. Number 2, cardiac muscle. The muscles which make up the heart are called cardiac muscles. They are involuntary muscles. Example, muscles of heart. Number 3, skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are joined with the bones by the help of tendons. They are voluntary muscles. Example, biceps, triceps. Question number 3. Suggest any 2 ways to take good care of muscles and bones. Answer. We can take good care of our muscles and bones by doing plenty of exercise, eating right kind of food. Objective question. Choose the correct answers. Number 1. Which kind of tissue gives shape to the organ and hold them in place? A. Connective, B. Epithelial, C. Muscular, D. Cardiac. A. Connective is the answer. Number 2. Cardiac muscles make up which organ? A. Lungs, B. Heart, C. Eyes, D. Liver. B. Heart is the answer. Which are the muscles that perform their jobs without you even thinking about them? A. Involuntary, B. Bicep, C. Involuntary, D. Skeletal muscle. C. Involuntary muscles is the answer. What makes our bones strong? A. Exercise, B. Calcium rich food, C. Milk, D. All of them. D. All of them is the answer. The smallest bone of the body is in the eye, B. Heart, C. Nose, D. Ear. D. Ear is the answer. Fill in the blanks. Bone is an example of a tissue. Cardiac muscle contract and relax when pumping blood around the body. A place in a vertebrate body where 2 or more bones meet is a joint. The tissue that joins 2 bones together is known as ligament. The joint which moves a part of our body in one direction only is known as hinge joint. The joint that can move a part of our body in a circular direction is known as a ball and socket joint. The stomach is an example of smooth muscle. The muscular system works with the skeletal system to help you move. Smooth muscle make up the internal hollow organ in the body. Match the definition in column A with correct term in column B. A tissue that holds 2 or more bones together at a movable joint. Ligament is the answer. Framework of bones in a body. Skeleton is the answer. Group of tissue performing specific function. Organ is the answer. Thick sheet of tissue that attached a muscle to a bone. Tendon is the answer. Building unit of all living things, cell is the answer. Label the diagram. Page number 4. How to develop organ system. 4 labels. Cell, tissue, stomach, digestive system.